Sarah, a weak woman turned strong. Hello and welcome to Speak in English. Today I want to share with you an inspiring story of a woman who transformed her life from weakness to strength. Meet Sarah, a young woman who had been through a lot in her life. She had faced physical and emotional abuse and had been left feeling broken and powerless. She struggled to make ends meet, working multiple jobs just to put food on the table. She felt like she was drowning in a sea of despair. But Sarah refused to give up. She realized that she had two choices: to let her circumstances define her, or to rise above them. She chose the latter. Sarah started small. She began taking care of her physical health, exercising regularly and eating nutritious food. She started practicing mindfulness and meditation to calm her mind and soothe her soul. As Sarah's physical and mental health improved, she started to feel a sense of empowerment. She realized that she was capable of more than she ever thought possible. She started taking classes at night, determined to educate herself and improve her job prospects. And then, something amazing happened. Sarah landed a job at a prestigious company, earning a salary that allowed her to support herself and her family. She was finally able to break free from the cycle of poverty and abuse. But Sarah's transformation didn't stop there. She started volunteering at a local women's shelter, helping other women who had been through similar experiences. She became a mentor and a role model, inspiring others with her story of resilience and determination. Sarah's story teaches us that we all have the power to transform our lives. We don't have to be defined by our circumstances. We can rise above them, just like Sarah did. So, if you're feeling weak or powerless today, remember Sarah's story. Remember that you have the strength within you to overcome any obstacle. Remember that you are capable of achieving greatness, no matter what your circumstances may be. Thank you for watching Speak in English. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring stories and English language lessons.